To secure and handle the equipment in a safe and ergonomical way. Immersion cooling is a cooling method to cool down the electronics in an immersion tank. And in the immersion tank they have server units which they have to lift in and out and have to have a good service and maintenance of them.
Instead of back and forth. The reason for that is the narrow aisles. One other standout feature is the counterbalance. Because of the compact base and still long reach with a jib arm. One other lifter that we get easy rolling wheels with low rolling resistance to make it easy to get. The handheld remote control can be disconnected. You can have a stepless speed control so you can really go slow, which is important in this case where you want to connect it. We have added a drip tray that is placed at the front of the transport from the server tank to the service table from the lift room in an easy and ergonomic and safe way. For that dedicated area, you could simply disconnect the battery and carry it out to that room to be charged and then replace it again when you're charging it. This lift